when a driverless car is adopted in the market, what is the first job that will go? Okay, the driver. Taxi service will still continue to be there. It's not a job. Taxi is a service. The driver will go. Yes, I agree. So all of you have written drivers. Great. What do you think is the next job that will go? After the driver, what is the next job that will go? Some of you will have to think a bit here. The next job after a driver. Sony, you're absolutely correct. Traffic police. Gas station employee, correct. What about driving schools? Come on, let's think a little more. So I've got traffic police, which is correct. I've got gas agency, the guys at the gas station. Yes, that's correct. So the sheer need for mechanics is going to be lesser. A lot of paramedics and healthcare professionals rely on accidents. Again, that will come down. You'll see auto insurance changing. You'll see public transportation changing. So a lot of jobs will actually start shifting. And why I'm saying this is very important is, again, I'm going back to the point that this is one of the most technology shifts that we've seen in many decades. You should not think of only the problem that you're seeing in front of you. You should try and understand what are the adjacent problems and the second order problems that are also getting impacted.